This is a second video tutorial demonstrating how to use Simply Analytics. This video tutorial demonstrates how to generate a spreadsheet rather than generate a map, because sometimes the information you need to convey, or at least you want to convey, is more complicated than what can be shown on a map. You may want to be able to compare 3 or 4 variables across a single level of geography, and it's very difficult to do that on a map, clearly. So in order to make a table then, we're going to go up here to New View. Click on that New View button, and you've got various options for making tables. We're going to choose to make a ranking table. So you click on Ranking Table. We can choose our geography. You can see the variables that were given. I'm going to turn that one off, actually. So there are the 3 variables: the average expenditure on dinners per year, the median household income, and the number of people in a given CMA, or pardon me, in a given census tract. So you can go over here and you can add variables to this data column, but I'm not going to do that, but you certainly can go and do that. Click Done, and this looks pretty uninspired, quite condensed, quite a condensed spreadsheet. But if you go to Census Divisions, you can bring back the granularity that we had in the map by choosing Census Tract. You can even go down to Dissemination Area. A dissemination area is smaller than the postal code that you might look for. But anyway, I'm going to do Census Tract because I want my table to mirror the map that I generated before. So you get these kind of obscure numbers. These are the codes for the various census tracts around Victoria. And you can export that into Excel, and you can manipulate it and sort columns and all of that. Now this may not be useful to you, these codes. So you may prefer, rather than do census tract, to do census subdivision, because at least then you get recognizable neighborhoods. Anyway, it's up to you what level you need to go down to. And that's it. That's how you generate a table. Similarly, similar to how you can export maps to PDF and JPEG and a couple of others, you can export this into an Excel file or a .csv file or a database file. So that's it. And I'll be back with one more tutorial.